Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how you can automate your YouTube channel using Faceless.video and most importantly, how this can boost your earnings without you lifting a finger. Imagine earning from daily videos without spending hours filming or editing. Sound interesting? Stick around, and I'll show you how it works. Alright, let's start with the basics. Faceless.video is an AI-powered tool that allows you to create video content automatically, ideal for anyone who wants to build a YouTube channel without being on camera. And if you're wondering how this helps you make money, here's the deal. Faceless.video lets you produce high-quality videos consistently. More videos mean more ad revenue, affiliate opportunities, and ultimately, more income. With Faceless.video, you choose your video type, add a voiceover, pick a background, and click Create Series. The AI then produces videos and posts them for you on a set schedule. This hands-free approach means you can grow your channel, rack up views, and even qualify for YouTube's monetization programs faster. So, why automate? Here's the main reason: scalability. With automation, you can create videos faster than ever, which means your channel grows faster. And growth is the secret to earning. By automating, you're not just saving time, you're also posting consistently, which YouTube loves. Consistency can get you into YouTube's partner program, which is when ad revenue starts flowing in. And it doesn't stop at ads. Think about affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling products. Each video you upload is a chance to earn. With Faceless.video, it's like having a personal assistant working around the clock to build your brand and your bank account. Now, let me walk you through how easy it is to set this up. I'll keep it simple and focused on getting you to earn as soon as possible. First, log into Faceless.video and click Start for free if you're new here. Once you're in, you'll see options for different video styles. This could be product reviews, tutorials, or even viral content that attracts more clicks and views. Select your video style, pick a background, and add a voiceover. You can use the AI-generated voices or upload your own to make it unique. Then hit Create Series, connect your YouTube account, and boom, you're set. Faceless.video's AI will create and schedule new content, so your channel keeps growing even while you're doing other things. Alright, now let's talk strategy: how to maximize your earnings with this setup. Focus on trending topics. Faceless.video lets you create videos on trending topics, which boosts your visibility. Look for topics with high ad revenue potential, like tech reviews or finance. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Even though the videos are automated, don't skimp on the thumbnails. A good thumbnail can make all the difference in clicks, views, and ultimately, revenue. Add affiliate links in descriptions. Automating doesn't mean forgetting monetization. Add affiliate links in your video descriptions, especially if you're reviewing products. Each view is a chance to make extra money. Engage with comments. Remember, automation keeps the content flowing, but your audience still wants a real connection. Reply to comments to build a loyal following, and loyal followers tend to click more links and drive higher engagement. With these strategies, your automated channel doesn't just grow, it becomes a revenue machine. Ready to dive in? Getting started is easy. Go to the website, create a free account, and start testing it out. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can build a channel, post regularly, and start earning without the grind. I've put a link in the description so you can jump right in. Give it a try, and who knows, by the end of the month, you could be earning on Autopilot. So, there you have it. Faceless.video is the ultimate tool if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel and making money without all the usual work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insider tips on making the most of AI and automation. Thanks for watching, and here's to your new automated income stream.